What's the meaning of cultural? Cultural. Cultural.
Cultural. Cultural. The term cultural refers to anything related to the beliefs, customs, traditions, values, and practices of a particular society or group. It encompasses the art, literature, music, food, fashion, language, and other aspects that define a community's way of life. Culture is passed down from generation to generation and shapes individuals' identities and their worldview. It can also be used to describe the shared characteristics and experiences of a group of people, such as their history and heritage. Cultural diversity is celebrated as it enriches society and fosters greater understanding and tolerance between different communities.